I've got the perfect money-making method for you foodies out there today. I'll be showing you an unconventional method that combines the love for food and the power of YouTube to make you up to $1,000 a month. Imagine a world where you can copy and paste food videos, all while enjoying mouth-watering delicacies from around the globe because you're making money while you're on the go. In this video, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step tutorial, so be sure to pay close attention because I don't want you to miss a single money-making detail. Let's get right into it. Okay, so today we're going to be using a tool called Video to Recipe. Trust me, this AI-powered website is about to change the way you approach making money online. Let's start by talking about the hassle-free process. All you need to do is head over to videotorecipe.com. Isn't it amazing that you don't even have to download anything? Simply grab the link of a long YouTube cooking video that catches your eye and paste it into the website. Voila! The magic begins! I have to admit, one of my favorite aspects of this method is how Video to Recipe effortlessly converts those lengthy videos into bite-sized articles. Now I don't have to spend ages scouring through hours of footage just to find that one amazing recipe. With Video to Recipe, you get a concise, easy-to-follow article that outlines the recipe and its steps. It's kinda like having a personal chef sharing their secrets with you. And here's where things get really interesting. The money-making potential. You see, these converted articles hold great value in the online world. There's a growing demand for quick and convenient recipe content, and that's exactly what Video to Recipe provides. By using this method, you can tap into a profitable market by sharing these converted articles with food enthusiasts and aspiring chefs. Step 1. Find a YouTube video to convert. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, head over to YouTube and search for something delicious like how to make an egg omelet at home. Now, watch for those amazing videos that catch your eye and make your stomach growl. Once you find the perfect one, copy the video link. Next, it's time to visit videotorecipe.com. Once you're on the website, you'll see a text box where you can paste the YouTube link. Then, click the green Get the Recipe button, and within just a few seconds, the website converts the video into a neat and tidy set of instructions and ingredients for you to follow. Step 2. Publish the article on Medium. Once you've used the AI website to convert those fantastic YouTube cooking videos into easy-to-follow instructions and ingredients, it's time to take the next step. Copy those instructions and ingredients. Once you've got your instructions and ingredients ready, head over to Medium. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's a quick and simple process to sign up. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that makes publishing articles super easy. Now, let me tell you why I absolutely love Medium. It's a fantastic platform that lets ordinary people like us publish articles and have them appear in Google search results. Isn't that incredible? You don't need any fancy credentials or a professional cooking background to make your mark. Medium gives you the opportunity to share your culinary wisdom with a huge audience all for free. So now it's time to let your creativity shine. Craft an engaging title for your article that grabs the reader's attention. Think of something that showcases the deliciousness of the recipe you're about to share. After all, a great title is like the icing on the cake. It intrigues people to click and discover what's inside. Next, take those converted instructions and ingredients and start writing your article. Make it personal, add your own thoughts, preferences, and any tips or tricks you've discovered along the way. Your unique voice will make your article stand out and connect with readers on a deeper level. Don't be afraid to infuse it with your passion for food and the joy of cooking. Once you've poured your heart and soul into your article, give it a quick proofread to make sure it's polished and error-free. Share your article on social media, interact with readers through comments, and don't be shy about promoting your work. The more people discover and enjoy your recipes, the more opportunities you have to monetize your content and earn some serious cash. I personally would recommend using other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to drive people to your Medium article. You can do this by posting a sneak peek on your Instagram story, or by creating a TikTok based on your article and sharing it. Be as creative as you want. The ultimate goal is to get as many people reading your article as possible, because the more eyeballs, the more clicks, and the more clicks, the more money you make. Step 3. Monetize your content. So here's the deal. Once you've converted those amazing YouTube cooking videos into easy-to-follow articles using the AI website and published them on Medium, it's time to explore the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like having your own virtual store filled with amazing products that complement your content. These products could be anything from kitchen gadgets and specialty ingredients to cookbooks and online cooking courses. The best part is that you don't have to worry about creating or stocking the products yourself. Here's how it works. As an affiliate marketer, you partner with companies that offer these fantastic products. When you join their affiliate program, they provide you with unique links called affiliate links. These links track any purchases made through them. Now, I have a fantastic platform for you where you can find products to promote, ClickBank. So let me tell you why I absolutely love ClickBank. It literally has all the cooking-related affiliate products that you can promote and earn a commission on. Think of it as a marketplace filled with incredible cooking gadgets, unique ingredients, and handy kitchen tools that your readers would love to get their hands on. So here's how it works. Head over to ClickBank and explore the huge selection of cooking affiliate products they offer. You'll find everything from cookbooks to cooking utensils and even online cooking courses. Make sure to carefully browse through the categories and find products that you think will resonate with your audience and complement your recipes. Once you've found a product that you believe in and think your readers would love, grab the affiliate link provided by ClickBank. This link is unique to you, and make sure that you get credited for any sales generated through it. Now, let's bring it all together. Remember those delicious articles you published on Medium? It's time to take them to the next level. Open up your article and strategically place the affiliate link within it. You can mention how the product you're promoting can enhance the cooking experience or make the recipe even more delightful. By doing this, you're creating an opportunity for your readers. As they immerse themselves in your mouth-watering recipes, they'll come across these affiliate links. If they decide to click on them and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Your readers or followers benefit from discovering new and exciting products that make their cooking experience way better. And you benefit by earning a commission for your valuable recommendations. And the companies even benefit by reaching a wider audience through your platform. It's like a delicious recipe where everyone gets a taste of success. But here's the key. I believe in being authentic and genuine in affiliate marketing. It's important to promote products that you truly believe in and would use yourself. Think about it. Why recommend something to others if you wouldn't use it in your own kitchen? By sharing products that align with your values and preferences, you build trust with your audience and establish yourself as a reliable source. Always remember that to be successful at affiliate marketing, you need to build relationships and provide value. As you share your passion for food and cooking, sprinkle in those affiliate links strategically, making sure they improve the overall experience for your audience. Keep it genuine, keep it personal, and watch your earnings grow while doing what you love. And that's it. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We love creating videos and we can't wait to see you in the next one.